Have you ever found yourself struggling to think clearly, as if a dense fog has settled over your mind? Do you wish you could just wipe it away and see things with crystal clarity? Hello and welcome to Kay's Calm Kit. Today we are diving into the world of mindfulness, a powerful tool that can help you cut through the mental fog that clouds your daily life. Whether you are dealing with stress, fatigue, or just the overwhelming pace of modern life, mindfulness can offer a path to clearer thinking and greater present moment awareness. In this video, we will explore 3 simple yet effective mindfulness techniques that you can use to enhance your mental clarity. So, if you are ready to clear the fog and sharpen your mind, stay tuned as we guide you through each technique, step by step. Let's embark on this journey to a clearer, more focused you. What exactly is mental fog? Often referred to as brain fog, it's not a medical condition, but a term used to describe symptoms that impair your ability to think. When you are experiencing mental fog, you might feel confused, disorganized, and find it hard to focus or put your thoughts into words. Several factors can trigger this frustration state. Common culprits include chronic stress, which overwhelms the brain with cortisol, lack of sleep, which prevents the brain from rejuvenating, and poor diet, which may deprive the brain of essential nutrients. The impact of mental fog stretches beyond mere forgetfulness. It can significantly affect your daily life, reducing your productivity at work or school, impairing your memory, and even affecting your emotional well-being. It might leave you feeling irritable or hopeless as you struggle to manage what used to be simple tasks. But there is good news. Through mindfulness, we can clear the fog and restore clarity. In the following sections, we will guide you through 3 practical mindfulness exercises designed to sharpen your focus and enhance your mental clarity. But first, what is mindfulness? Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the moment, aware of your thoughts and feelings without distraction or judgment. It's about observing your experiences as they unfold moment by moment with a gentle and open mind. This practice is crucial for mental health as it helps us gain greater control over our thoughts and emotions. By focusing on the present, we can avoid getting caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. The benefits of mindfulness are profound. It enhances cognitive flexibility, allowing us to adapt our thinking to new information and situations more effectively. It also reduces stress by lowering cortisol levels and improves our overall focus, helping clear the mental fog that can cloud our days. If you find this introduction to mindfulness intriguing and wish to explore deeper, we have a detailed video in our dedicated playlist. This playlist includes guides, hacks, and tips on mindfulness practices. You can find the link in the description below or click the pop-up at the top right of this video to watch it later. Practicing mindfulness can transform not just your mental state, but your entire life. It equips you with the tools to navigate through life's challenges with more grace and less stress. Let's delve into the 3 practical mindfulness exercises that you can start using today to combat mental fog. Now that we understand the fundamentals of mindfulness and its benefits, let's put this knowledge into practice. In this session, we will explore 3 simple but effective mindfulness exercises designed to clear mental fog and enhance your focus. These techniques can be easily integrated into your daily routine and are perfect to regaining clarity whenever you feel overwhelmed or disconnected. Whether you are new to mindfulness or looking to deepen your practice, these exercises will help you cultivate a sharper, more present mind. We will start with focused breathing to center your thoughts, move on to a body scan to release tension, and finish with mindful observation to enhance your engagement with the present moment. Each of these exercises is a tool that you can use anytime, anywhere to dissipate the clouds of mental fog and restore your mental clarity. Let's start with focused breathing, a powerful exercise that helps calm the mind and sharpen your focus. This technique is not only useful for clearing mental fog, but also serves as a quick way to reset your emotional state. To begin, find a comfortable seat in a quiet space where you wouldn't be disturbed. Sit upright but relaxed, with your feet flat on the floor and hands resting gently on your lap. Close your eyes gently. Breathe in slowly through your nose, allowing your stomach to expand fully. Hold this breath for a moment. Then exhale slowly through your mouth. As you breathe out, imagine releasing any mental clutter or stress along with the air. Focus solely on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. If you find your mind wandering, that's okay. Acknowledge any thoughts that arise, then gently bring your attention back to your breath. Try to continue this focused breathing for about 3 to 5 minutes. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation and clarity. Practicing focused breathing daily can significantly enhance your mental clarity and ability to concentrate. If you would like to explore more breathing techniques, particularly for mastering stress in minutes, check out our dedicated video. You will find the link in the description below, or click the pop-up at the top right of this video to watch it later. Our next mindfulness exercise is the body scan. This technique helps you become deeply aware of the physical sensations in your body and is particularly effective for identifying and releasing tension that you may not even realize you are holding. To begin the body scan, find a comfortable position lying down on your back with your legs uncrossed and arms at your sides, palms facing up. If lying down isn't possible, you can also do this seated in a comfortable chair. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and let your body start to relax. As you begin to feel more at ease, bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any sensations you feel there. Tightness, tingling, or perhaps nothing at all. There is no need to change anything, just observe. Now, slowly move your awareness down to your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. These areas often hold a lot of tension, so take a moment to consciously relax them. Continue to move your attention slowly down your body, your neck, your shoulders, down your arms, and to your hands. Then, go to your chest, your abdomen, feel your back against the floor or chair. Notice the rise and fall of your breath and any sensations you feel. Now focus on your hips, your thighs, all the way down to your feet. At each step, pause briefly, observing any discomfort, tension, or relaxation. Allow each part to relax more deeply as you move your attention through it. Once you've scanned all the way to your toes, take a deep breath and feel your whole body at once, relaxed and present. This body scan not only helps in reducing physical tension, but also aligns your mental state with your physical state, clearing mental fog and enhancing focus. With regular practice, the body scan can be a powerful tool for mindfulness, helping you to stay grounded and attentive to the present moment. It's a simple yet effective way to clear your mind and soothe your body. The final exercise we will explore today is mindful observation. This practice sharpens your focus by directing your attention to a single object, helping to clear mental fog by anchoring your mind in the present moment. To begin, choose one object around you. It can be anything: a cup, a pen, a plant, or even a spot on the wall. Pick something that you can see easily from where you are sitting. Once you have your object, focus all your attention on it. Observe it as if you are seeing it for the first time. Notice the colors. How are they interacting? Observe the shape. What are its contours and edges? Feel its texture. Imagine running your fingers over it, even if you don't actually touch it. Now, look at the smaller details of the object. Are there any patterns or features you hadn't noticed before? How does the light interact with it? Let your gaze be soft but focused. And if your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to the object. This simple exercise of mindful observation can help you train your brain to focus and reduce the noise of distractions around you. It's a powerful tool for enhancing mental clarity and can be a calming practice during moments of stress. Try to incorporate mindful observation into your daily routine. It only takes a few minutes, but its effects on your mental clarity can be profound. Whether you are taking a break from work or just need a moment of calm, this practice can help center your thoughts and clear the mental fog. Now that we've explored the 3 mindfulness exercises, let's discuss some practical ways you can integrate mindfulness into your daily routine. Mindfulness doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. Small, simple practices can make a big difference in enhancing your mental clarity and focus. First, consider starting your day with mindfulness. Before you even get out of bed, take a few minutes to breathe deeply and set your intentions for the day. This can help you start your morning with a clear and focused mindset. Another easy way to practice mindfulness is during meals. Eating is something we do every day, often without much thought. Try engaging fully with the experience of eating. Notice the flavors, textures, and smells of your food. Eating mindfully can help improve your digestion and increase your satisfaction with meals. You can also incorporate mindfulness while you walk. Whether you are walking to your car, your office, or just taking a short stroll, focus on the sensation of your feet touching the ground, the rhythm of your breath, and the sight and sounds around you. Walking mindfully can be a great way to connect with the present moment. Additionally, use waiting time to your advantage. Instead of reaching for your phone when you have a few spare minutes, use this time to practice mindful breathing or observation. Whether you are in line at the store or waiting for a meeting to start, these moments can be perfect for a quick mindfulness reset. Finally, end your day with mindfulness. Before you go to sleep, spend a few minutes reflecting on the day, jotting down what you are grateful for, or doing a brief body scan. This can help you unwind and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Integrating mindfulness into your daily routine doesn't require drastic changes. It's about finding moments throughout your day where you can pause and bring your full attention to the present. These small steps can lead to significant improvements in your mental clarity and overall well-being. Now that we've explored some effective mindfulness techniques, I'm curious to hear from you. Which mindfulness exercise do you find most effective for clearing mental fog? Share your experiences and any other techniques you use to maintain mental clarity in the comments below. If you found these practices helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more contents on mindfulness and mental clarity, and share this video with anyone who might benefit from these techniques. Your support helps us bring more helpful contents to our community. To recap, today we've covered focused breathing, body scans, and mindful observation, each offering unique benefits to help you cut through mental fog and enhance your present moment awareness. I encourage you to incorporate these mindfulness exercises into your daily routine. Regular practice can make a significant difference in your mental clarity and overall emotional well-being. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more insights into mindfulness. Each step you take in this journey enriches your life, bringing you closer to a clearer, more focused mind. Stay mindful, stay clear, and take wonderful care of yourselves. Until next time, keep embracing the present moment. Much love.